Hello students. I will be continuing the last video because we couldn't stop. We could not do it because of there was some distractions. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for that. Let us continue what we had been doing. All right. Suppose here is a conductor, and in the conductor there is a charge, let's say Q, and when the charge Q was there, the potential of it was V. All right, so in that midst, let me bring further small charge dq. All right, okay, now what will happen? The dq will experience the repulsive force, right? Then the extra work against the repulsion have to be done in order to make the charge dq store in the conductor further, right? Isn't it? In that case, the total charge will be what? Q plus dq, right? And for bringing dq, let dw be the small work done. All right, so let's say small work done. All right, the small work done, let's say dw. Okay, small work done dw in bringing what? In bringing what? In bringing dq, right? You know why the work will be done? Because work have to be done against the repulsion. Q is already there. Now if we are bringing dq, then the work have to be done against the repulsion, so that measure is dw. Okay, now we had seen the definition of potential. Potential is equal to what? Work done by the charge, right? Okay, now in the potential of V, dq have been bought and the work done is dq, right? Then what that one will be? This one will be dw by dq, right? Then this will be dw will be equal to v dq, right? Up to here, I hope that is clear. Now v is what? We know from the definition of capacitor that charge is equal to CV, right? Then V will be what? Q by C is equal to V, right? Then this will be equal to dW is equal to Q by C dq. This is the small work done. See why I have converted? Because I want the variable to be Q only. All right, now for a material, its capacitance is fixed, right? Like for a bucket, its capacitance for storing water is fixed. Similarly, the capacitance is a fixed quantity, right? Now all right, so this is a constant. Now let's measure the total work. Okay, total work, let's say in storing, in general I'm doing, okay, in storing Q charge. All right, now total work done, if we are finding, then the total work done will be what? Integration of dw, right or no? This is a mathematical technique. Then integration, what is the variable? Q is a variable because Q charge have been uploading to the conductor, right? So for charge previously it was 0 to the maximum, let's call it Q. All right, don't confuse with this Q. Q in general, this is Q. Okay, then this will be what? Q by C dq, right? C is a constant, can be taken out from the integration, so this is 1 by C, this is 0 to Q, then Q dq, right? I hope it's clear. Then what? Then W is equal to, now if we integrate it, power is 1, right? Then this will be what? The integration 1 by C, right? Then this will be Q 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. I hope we are clear with the formula. If we do not know, then the integration of xn dx is what? Xn plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so here n is 1, so 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Then here is a limit, that is upper limit minus the lower limit, right? So W is equal to, this will be what? 1 by 1 plus 1, 2c, and this is q square, right? Then the limit we need to put it in the variable, that is q. So this is 1 by 2c, variable what? A q. In place of q, q only, q square minus another is what? 0 square. So what is the work done? The work done is equal to half let me just check it once. It's half what? Q square by c. This work done is stored in the system as energy, and that energy is what? Work done here is what? Electric potential energy. And what is the notation for the potential energy? It's U, right? So most commonly the energy, we write it as half Q square C. Very important. The energy stored in a capacitor, when it's stored Q charge having capacitance C, then this is equal to half Q square by C. The same formula we can write in different forms also, like U is equal to half Q is what? Q equal to C into V, right? So Q square will be what? C square V square by C, right? Then C double this, right? One C cancel. So this formula will be what? Half CV square. So depending upon what are the given parameters, based on that. So that the same, it after all coming from here only, right? Then another half QV also we can write it, okay? Like here, okay, here, even here, half q, u is equal to half, right, q square. In place of c, what I can write? Q by v, right? Q by v, right? Q1, this will cancel. So then u is equal to what, student? Half qv. So this way also is common. You can check your notes, you'll be clear with it, okay? Sorry students, this derivation, half part of it is earlier video. There was some distraction, so I did this way. I hope you will understand. Thank you. So the formula half q square by c, half cv square, half qv, everything is correct. Thank you.